Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Today is the evening of October 12th, 2020. Well, I'm here. I'm going to go ahead and try to rerun my uh, I don't know. I'm going to try to run a random states report for the. Let's see. As soon as I find a state I haven't done yet. Okay, good. So it looks like the lucky winner for this evening is that is Massachusetts. Put on a markdown file. Let's say this. Okay. And let's save this. Were you supposed to take a medicine or something? Okay. So let's get some data in here first of all. Okay, let's just do this. So, okay. So let's just go ahead and run this. This is interesting. Why isn't this? Huh. Honestly, I'm not quite sure why that's not working. So let's just delete it. That's really strange. Let's do this. Our markdown, Massachusetts. Okay. Let's save this. That's a little better now. Let's get rid of all this. Come back over here. Pull in some libraries and other goodies. Okay. Let's come back over here. Change this from California to Massachusetts again. Run this and run this. Okay. Average number of cases 549. Maximum cases we're not seeing a day with 4,946 cases in one day. Deaths The average deaths per day is 38. The maximum was 252. Okay, good. Let's just begin with a couple of plots here. Let's begin with the cumulative plots as we always do. Okay, so let's just run this here, take a look at the plots. Cases is kind of interesting. I'm not sure how this drops down. Well, I don't know. I'm not sure why that happened there. Let's take a look at cases. Well, cases, look at this huge. I don't know if this qualifies as an exponential curve or not, but certainly is a huge jump up here beginning mid to late April. Goodness gracious. Okay, let's come back now. Let's take a look at some daily data. Okay, let's take a look at some daily numbers here. Cases. Well, that explains something, Donna. How do you have a negative 7,000 cases? What we have to do somehow is deaths. Deaths are very flat, which is good. So what can we do here? It does belong there. Okay, let's take a look at this here again. Wait. This needs to be wider. I'm sorry. Okay, this is a little better. So excellent did the trick. Okay. Now I can see like everybody actually spiked with this huge spike. Yeah, I wonder if they didn't enter that negative some 6,000 because of these spikes here. I don't really know. But anyway, the lowest curve tells the story of the tape here. Spiked here is about 2,000. Spiked this here. Deaths are flat till maybe slightly down. Okay, let's come back over here now. Let's take a look at the mortality rate. Mortality rate is simply deaths divided by cases. I mean, how do you have a negative deaths percent? Okay, let's see something up here again. Okay, that's much better. So interesting enough, they're not doing too good. This is 10, this is 5, so this is 7, 8% mortality rate. Well, actually, they're all doing good because what you see here, from July on, their mortality rate on average has been falling below it's been looking pretty good. Okay, alrighty, so that takes care of the mortality rate. Uh, let's come back over here. What do we got next? Let's take a look here. This should be weekly and monthly cases, I'm thinking. This should be, let's take a look at weekly numbers. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's try this again. So let's say to 20,000, 0 to 20,000 for a while. Let's just do this. Much better. This is where you had that huge negative drop. I just don't understand. Cases, very good. Under 5,000 cases per week. In Massachusetts, let's take a look at deaths. Under 150 deaths per week. That's not bad. So that's the overall, they're not doing too bad. Things are definitely following a downward trend anyway. Finally, let's take a look at the monthly numbers. Now, obviously, that massive negative number is going to affect a lot of things. We'll take a look at it anyway. Okay, cases. Obviously, that negative cases is a big problem right here. All right. Obviously, that negative case is a big problem right there. But overall, the numbers are still low. Overall, deaths are looking extremely low. So I would say overall, that's good news all the way around from Massachusetts. Everything seems to be low or declining. So that takes care of this random states report for this evening for the state of Massachusetts. If you're in Massachusetts, I hope this report it serves as an encouragement to you to keep fighting the fight, fighting the good fight, to keep wearing the mask, practicing social distancing, and also practicing sheltering in place when possible. So anyway, thanks for your time. If you haven't done so already, click on the red S down the bottom right hand corner of the screen in order to right hand corner of the screen. Uh, the right hand corner of the screen to subscribe to the Caribou Data Science channel. Thanks so much for your time tonight. We'll catch you later on.